we're going to be making another one starting, actually we started yesterday with marking all the hole locations, and our awesome neighbor Eric came over to help us with that. He's a super cool guy. So we have our instructions. The greenhouse came from Western Mountain Greenhouses, and this is the instruction booklet that I came with. Lots of instructions here. So we have all of our hole marks out in the yard right now, starting from the outside of the first post, and then from the outside of the first post to the center, you're gonna measure 4 feet, and then do it on center every 4 feet all the way down to the end. And so from one end to the other, so from one hole to the other down here, it's gonna be 30 feet directly across. And so we have 39 holes total. And we also measured from one corner to one corner, and I learned about triangle math. So 3, 4, 5, look it up, triangle math, super fun. So we found out that I believe it was 78 feet that the cross points had to be for this to be square. So next we have rented the auger. We rented a post hole auger from Star Rental in Missoula, and we've got that out in the yard, and we're gonna start digging our holes. We do have one issue with one of our utilities does run through where the holes are, so those we're having to hand dig. And after we dig all the holes, then we'll be lining up the lumber next and lining up the posts and everything. So we'll cut back when we're ready for that part. See you guys later.